All right, so this one is the MusiBaby M71 portable speaker. This one also is IPX5 water resistance. You got the back here where you can charge it. You got the DC 5-volt micro USB type A plug-in, and you also got the auxiliary cord and a TF SD card support, so you can put an SD card in here. This one here is rated at 24 hours of playback time. One single charge. I think it takes about 2 hours to fully charge this device. Very affordable. It feels great. It has like a rubberized matte finish on it all the way around. It does not have a cover for the ports on the back. So it is, even though it says it is IPX5, it's water resistant, so it should be fine. But on the bottom, we do have some rubberized material there. Little branding there, little branding there. Sounds great. You guys heard the quality on here. This is very affordable. It's on Amazon right now for $28. Good device to pick up if you want to throw it in your car with you, or you can take it anywhere you want. It's pretty small, but it sounds, got a nice sound to it. Once again, check it out. Links down in the description below, man. We out. This one's a good one. Catch you on another one. We out.